Hi, I'm Harish Godedi and welcome back to my channel Gen AI for SMB, the only channel where you will learn how generative AI can transform your business. Today we are going to talk about an amazing product launched by AWS. It's Amazon Web Services. It's called Amazon Quick Suite. And this is a phenomenal product for if you are running. So I'm in this video I'm going to talk about Amazon Quick Suite for practice forms. So it's going to redefine productivity for for modern practice forms. So if you are modernizing your practice form, then this video is for you. So by practice forms I mean both accounting and legal forms. All right. So Amazon Quick Suite is an amazing product that you will see why it can transform your accounting or legal practice very soon once you start using it. So let's dive in. Before we jump into the product, let's understand why AI is must for accounting firms at this point. So the market for AI in accounting industry is forecasted to grow from US 6.6 billion in 2025 to 37 billion by 2030. So that's in the next 5 years. That is significant growth that they are expecting, right? The second thing is the only 8% of tax firms are currently, using Gen AI, while more 30% are considering them. So it is overall it is less than 40% who are actually even considering Gen AI, right? So, and also when we talk about generative AI in accounting firms, the use cases extend far beyond bookkeeping, right? AI enables error detection, anomaly flagging, predictive analytics. There are so many use cases that you can explore with generative AI in the accounting industry, right? So it is no longer a nice to have, it is a must have. Exploring AI and implementing AI solutions in your accounting firm is a must have at this point in time. Similarly, why AI is a must for legal firms at this time. So the global AI legal services market is projected to grow US 3 to 4 billion to 35 billion. That is again significant in the next 5 years that they are expecting, right? So research shows less than 10% of law firms are actually using generative AI, and around 25, similar to accounting firms, about 25 to 35. So less than 40% of the law firms across the world are, just exploring at the moment. So, you know, if you're not going ahead and exploring or trying to implement something around AI in your practice, you are going to go ahead and risk falling behind, and early adopters will enjoy the benefits and will have significant gains. So that is the reason you need to consider adopting AI in your law firm. So firms adopting AI, what it shows is 30 to, whether it is practice firms or accounting firms, 30 to 50% reduction in time spent on document heavy work. So that is significant. If a resource is be getting free, if you're one of your employees is have 30 to 40% of his time available, then imagine what you can achieve with the time that is available in your hand. So faster turnaround on client deliverables, because it's not much manual work, everything will be done by AI, most of it. So the turnaround time will significantly reduce. So more time, you can allocate more time to high value advisory or strategy work, right? So that is really the key. So how can you take a senior or a accountant or anyone in your practice or legal firm lawyer to go ahead and use their time in high impact projects, right? So you can do that by eliminating all the document heavy work, and I'll show you how QuickSuite can help, right? So you will enjoy all these benefits if you start adopting AI, and specifically Amazon Quick Suite. So what is Amazon Quick Suite? right? So it is nothing but it is you will have agentic teammates that quickly answer your questions and work and turn answers into actions. Basically, you'll have a set of agents that will work alongside you, right? And get answers to all your information and do take actions and things like that. So research shows 15% of day-to-day decisions will be made autonomously through agentic AI by 2028, and this is through from an AWS survey. 82% of organizations plan to integrate AI agents within the next 1 to 3 years, right? So that is significant. 82% is a huge number, right? So what Amazon Quick Suite will do is it will get the right answers quickly using all your data that you have in your firm, unites team and AI agents, so you can take action alongside agentic teammates. So you won't, they'll do the agentic agents will do certain amount of work, you can do certain amount of work. It's basically having an extended team, right? So team save time searching, so you don't have to search anything, everything is available readily for you. So that is the best part. So if you have any question or if you have something in your mind, all you need to do is use the agent to, chat agent to go ahead and ask a question. It will get you the answer. So get answers the way you want them with custom chat agents. So there is a customized chat agent feature capability where you can actually customize the way you want the answers and not the others. You can differentiate yourself, differentiate the agent to give answers the way you want it. So typically, if you have fragmented data, right? So this is how much time you gets wasted. So you get data from multiple sources, you consolidate the information, you analyze the data, you check with your peers or seniors. All this stuff is like 40 plus hours are wasted on a regular basis, and in doing these kind of activities, right? So all this stuff can be fixed with Amazon Quick Suite. So let's go ahead and check what are the capabilities of Amazon Quick Suite. So let's look at the Amazon Quick Suite capabilities. Amazon Quick Automate. So Quick Automate handles multi-agent automation for your most complex enterprise processes that can span across departments, systems, UI and API interactions and third-party systems. So let's say you are integrating with QuickBooks, you are integrating with other software products. All of that complex workflows can be automated with this multi-agent, capability through Quick Automate. So Amazon Quick Research, which is also part of Amazon Quick Suite, it will allow you to research. It's an AI-powered research agent that combines your organization internal knowledge and with data from the internet to deliver expert-level insights in minutes instead of weeks. Let's say you are researching on a new, there is a new tax laws or new whatever cases that you have to refer, or what all you have to do is, yeah, go ahead and use the quick research capability, and you will get all the insights you need. Amazon Quick Flows. Quick Flows let you, let's anyone build automations to handle repetitive or routine tasks in seconds. So using simple everyday language prompts, and then easily share these workflows with individuals and teams across the organization. So if you are doing something regularly every single day, or a lot of time, what you can do is you can automate with, you can create these flows to automate the repetitive stuff, right? So the quick flows is for the repetitive tasks that you do. Quick automate is for complex workflows that you integrate with other systems and things like that. So that's the difference. And we're gonna see every single capability and how it applies to an accounting firm very shortly. So that's quick flow. Then let's talk about Quick Index. Quick Index, what it does is it unifies the data into a single repository that provides accurate context-rich answers for you and your team. So wherever you have the data. You don't have to go ahead and now do anything new within your company. All you have to do is identify where the data is and just go ahead and connect it, connect the data, right? So to quick index, and it'll do the rest. So next thing is Amazon QuickSight. QuickSight has been there for for a very long time. It is similar to Power BI, right? So it's a AI powered BI capabilities with Quick, right, within Quick Suite. Your What it does is basically transforms your scattered data into strategic insights, right? So basically you will see, you can find out whatever the business outcomes you are trying to achieve. You can see the associated reporting data through QuickSight. Then you have Amazon Quick Spaces. The Spaces capability in Quick allows you to create a collection of data and resources for your particular team. What it basically means is, let's say you are an accounting firm, you have a tax department, you have an audit department, you have a advisory department, you have a bookkeeping department. So for each department, you can create your own space where all and where you have all the data and all the resources and all the agents were related to that in that particular space. That's what basically Quick Spaces is. Then you have Amazon Quick Chat agents. So quick, in Quick you'll have two types of agents, like I spoke earlier. A general chat agent, which can get you can get started with the general started in like within minutes of subscribing to Quick Suite, or you build a custom chat agent based on how you want to get the answer replies and what you want to set the context and things like that. So there are both ways to go ahead and use quick chat agents. So these are some of the core capabilities, not all of them, but core capabilities that really will transform your practice form, right? So that is really important to understand. I'm going over only through the core capabilities. There's a lot more that we will explore over the next series of videos, but right now this is the core thing that you need to know. And there's also Amazon Quick Suite extensions, so you don't have to always go into Quick Suite. Basically it offers integration to browser, right? So you can, on when you're browsing a website or when you're doing something on the browser, you can go ahead and ask go ahead and ask the questions to your agents and stuff in the browser itself, so you can get an answer directly. Then you have a Slack extension. If your teams, Slack is more like developer stuff, right? So if you're uh, I mean, this is for more like IT startups or teams using developers. So Microsoft Outlook extension, basically in the email, you don't have to search for emails, you don't have to do anything. What it does is it goes ahead and you can just ask a question and it will find you information from your entire email repository. So these are some of the extensions that can accelerate accelerate your productivity, rather than you having to go into Quick Suite every time and trying to get an answer. These will get you the information quickly. So with that said, I mean, I'm super excited for sharing, a lot of how-to videos on Quick Suite moving forward. But first, let's understand how you can get started, right? So Quick Suite is free for up to 25 users, right? Free to try, right? And then if you want to go ahead and build everything for your firm, so you can reach out to me for a zero cost proof of concept to validate your Amazon Quick, if it is the right business, right for your business or not. So it will be entirely zero cost for you, proof of concept, so we can implement it, for your firm, and see how everything works before you can take a decision. So that's about it for this video. I hope you are you're as excited as I am about Amazon, learning more about Amazon Quick Suite, because I'm going to show you a lot of examples on how to do certain things to achieve the certain business outcome within Amazon Quick Suite. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and please subscribe to this channel because we are going to talk a lot about AI in the coming days and weeks. Thank you.